Hey, welcome to my series about my future wood shop. If you're just getting started here, I have two other videos that tell the story of this building. But basically my wife and I bought an old building, an old mixed-use building. The bottom floor was a commercial space and the upstairs was apartments. Bought this building for dirt cheap and we've been fixing it up to make into my wood shop and two apartments. This particular room that I'm working on right here is going to be a showroom. Once it's set up, it's going to be someplace that I can put the things that I build and people can walk in and check them out. So that's the whole purpose for this room right here. So the goal for this video is to finish painting this room. Then I've got to get the electrician in to put all his conduit up for my lighting. And then my friend Sean is going to come, and by the end of the video the floor will be finished and you'll see this room totally done except for the baseboards. I need to have my dust collections set up to duplicate the existing baseboards and build the rest of them, but it'll almost be done by the end of this video. All right, let's go check out this room that has primer. This is my spray setup. I've been doing this for a while with the spraying. It saves time. I spend about a day masking, but then I mean it cuts the painting time, I don't know, probably by like a factor of 10. Let's get real wide here. So everything in primer gray. This fan pulling air out. So I'm going to get the paint color changed over and then we'll do the ceiling the black and see how that comes out. Alright, so this is all dry. I got 2 coats on the ceiling, 2 coats on this wall here. I'm going to switch over to trim, to semigloss white. I'm going to spray the trim in here, and I'll probably switch tips too. I'll put a smaller tip on, and once the trim is sprayed, then I'll roll the walls. Alright, so I've got a different tip here. This is called a 311. 3 means that it makes a 6-inch fan. At 12 inches, it's half the fan size, and then 11 means it's 0.11 gallons per minute. I'm just going to blow a little paint through it backwards. Clear up. Alright, this room is pretty much done except for the trim. I think the floor came out really cool. So the HVAC company's installing the ductwork on Tuesday. Today's Thursday, so it should be done soon. But I think this looks pretty cool all in all. Go around, put baseboards on, and hang that bail bond sign up there. Should be cool. Exciting news, we've got a furnace in this room. Not exactly clear why those guys chose to wind that pipe all around instead of going straight across that hits the bathroom, but I'll probably change that after they leave. And I tried to shoot a time lapse for you guys in this room, and this happened. So this is where we're at right now with that. They had to kind of leave and come back. Didn't have the right reducing coupling. They did a, I don't know if that'll show up, they did a number on my ceiling. But that's where we're at with this. I got the rest of the ductwork in here. And then in this room, so everything's going to come through like this and go roughly halfway across. It's going to cut through in 3 places. So we got an 8-inch there, a 10-inch in that hole there. It's focusing on my hand. And then another 8-inch. You can see it coming through over there. The other thing that happened is my helper scraped this and cleaned it up and then sealed it with clear coat that kind of sinks into the brick, siliconized, or something sinks in, silica, I don't know. But anyway, it looks cooler, gives us about an extra inch of width on this staircase. And the other thing that happened is the upstairs drywall is fully ready for paint, so that I'm not gonna show that right now because it just looks like finished drywall, but that is pretty far along. We're masking right now. All right, and we can check out this bathroom downstairs in my shop too. This is a spoiler. It's going to be featured in probably 2 videos. One's like going to be like a real detailed video, and another one is going to be kind of a more of a time-lapse style. So I'll just give you guys a real quick sneak peek right now. This is so overexposed. Yeah. So I did this bathroom here. Been working on that a lot. But that's all you get to see for now. I don't want to show too much of that. And so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time.